IFTA goes to Blood of the Irish.
Hello, good evening. Should I be doing this? I got to present this amazing programme, absolutely remarkable programme, but there's a guy who was too shy, I think, to come tonight, Brian Hayes from RTE, whose programme it really was. And I'd just like to say thank you to Brian for giving me this opportunity, thank you to RTE for giving me this opportunity, to Zlata, to Crossing the Line Films, John, just amazing. Thank you very much.
Diarmud put a huge amount of effort into this series, and I'd just like to thank him for all his dedication. I'd like to thank the Broadcasting Authority of Ireland for their commitment to documentary, to Zlata for all her work, to Brian, who is one of the most talented directors on the island, and to three great little guys, my sons, Sean, Killian and Connor, who may be watching. So thanks, man.